Knee pain is a common complaint among people of all age groups. Whether it is due to an injury or some underlying medical condition, knee pain can interfere with your daily activities.
6 best home remedies to get rid of knee pain.
1. Massage with essential oils. Massaging is an excellent way to get relief from the symptoms of knee and joint pain. Using essential oil for massaging your knees is even more effective. As per some studies, ginger and orange essential oils work quite well in getting rid of knee pain. It releases stiffness and reduces pain in the affected part. 2. Heat and cold compress. Both heat and cold compress can be beneficial in lessening the symptoms of knee pain. If there is inflammation, then you should avoid heat compresses as it can make the situation worse. Heat therapy is best for chronic pain like arthritis. In case of sports injury, apply a cold compress. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to get relief from chronic pain like arthritis. It helps to restore the lubrication in the joints, which reduces the pain and makes it easy for you to move your legs. Mix half a cup of ACV in a glass of water and drink the concoction daily before going to bed.
4. Ginger extract. Ginger oil, ginger extract or raw ginger are all good for your knees.
This common household herb is packed with a compound called gingerol, which is anti-inflammatory in nature. You can make ginger tea and drink it twice daily to get relief from knee pain.
5. Turmeric.
Turmeric is a magical spice that has a very long history of medicinal use. This yellow spice contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. The compound helps to alleviate the symptoms of joint pain and inflammation. Add ginger and turmeric in a glass of water and boil it for 12 to 15 minutes. Drink this mixture daily for some relief.
6. Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfate, which are both powerful pain-relieving agents. It reduces swelling and alleviates the pain. You can put a spoon of Epsom salt in your bath water and soak yourself in it for 30 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and share.